this is how much someone has made selling comic books. Now, before I go ahead and teach you how you can create your own comic books with just simple prompts, let me quickly show you how much people are making with comic books so that you can have an idea of how much you're possibly going to make if you learn this skill and upload it on Amazon KDP and Etsy, how much you're most likely going to be making. Now, if we come over to etsy.com and type in comic book, you see a lot of people offering comic books and they are all making sales. Now, you can see this one is 3,100 sales and this one is 128, this one is 573, this one is 970, this one is 1,400 books sold and is selling for $20. And if I multiply this, let me quickly multiply this. So $19.99 multiplied by, let's say 1,400. It could be 1,450, 1,800, but let's leave it at 1,400. So if we're working with this, this is $27,986. That is how much this person has made from comic books alone. Now, if you go ahead and multiply all these comic books that you're seeing here, you can see that there are a lot of them. Even if you go over to Amazon.com and type in comic books, you're going to see tons of comic books in Amazon KDP, which validates the business idea that you can make money, doing comic books. And then if you come over to Fiverr and search for comic books, you will also see a lot of people offering comic book services. So you can see this one, I'll draw professional comic books and graphic novels. And this guy has done 79 orders. So you can imagine how much you can make from this. You can see that he's charging $180 for comic books. Now, if we go ahead and multiply this, 180 by 79, 180 multiplied by 79, you get $14,220. That is how much he has made creating comic books for people. So you can be selling comic books and you can be creating comic books for people and make money on the side. Now, this doesn't have to be your full-time job because it doesn't take you anything. It doesn't take you much time. All you have to do is just few clicks and few prompts and you're good to go. And I'm going to show you all that in this video. So please, if this is something that you're interested in, come. Let me show you how to do this. All you need to do is to come over to this platform, aicomicfactory.com. So when you come over to this platform, you're going to meet this interface. Now, you want to use American Modern, but you can use any option here. You can use 3D render, you can use Japanese, you can use anyone. But let's start with American Modern first. And then you can select the layer that you want, how it's layered and everything. So let's go ahead and use this number 2. And then here is for caption. I'm going to come back to this later so that you can see how it works. And here is where you put in your prompt, your story. Make sure that it's not too long. Make sure that the characters are not more than 70. But make sure that it's not long. Just use simple prompts and it's going to give you your desired result. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this Spider-Man saving the world. So you just click on go and voila, you can see that it has generated our comic book and it's looking amazing. Now, whatever it outputs for you depends on what you give it. So let's just say that we like this one and we want to work with this one. The next thing you're going to do is to click on upscale.
2 seconds later.
So now it has completely upscaled. And if I zoom in now, you can see, the fine details, right? So it's fine, crisp, and ready to go. So all you have to do now is to click on save. So here is captions. If you turn it on, you're going to have captions, but we're not going to be using this caption because it's not that okay. We are going to be using that of Canva. I'm going to show you how to do all that. But before then, let's also add something about Spider-Man. Spider-Man heart broken.
A few moments later.
So now we have the heartbroken Spider-Man, and all you have to do is to go ahead and click on save to save this to your device. So take your time to generate as many pages as you want in your book, and then we're going to put it all together in Canva. So we'll go over to Canva right now and we're going to go over to upload. If you're using your mobile phone, all you have to do is to select any of the picture that you just downloaded, any of the comic book that we just downloaded, any of the pages, select it and then click on share to Canva to share it to Canva, and then it's going to open with the same size because we don't know the size of that particular page that we downloaded. So in order to make it accurate, we're just going to use the share button for our mobile. But if you're going to be using your desktop, then you're going to come over to upload, click on upload, and you're going to choose your file and then upload that file that we downloaded. And then it's going to open this page, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on use in a design so that we can now bring it to a place where we can do our editing or change anything we want to change or add anything that we want to add. So here you can see it has opened with the exact same size of the page, which is what we want. So if you have downloaded like 50 pages or 30 pages, all you have to do is to just click here, click on add page, and then add the page here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop the other page that I downloaded, right? So now we'll have our pages. This is the 2 pages that we downloaded, and it's good to go as it is. But the next thing you're going to do is to add callouts, okay? Add your text that will make it more appealing and so that people can read and understand. So you just type in callouts. You can just go ahead and add it like so. Add it here. So you just type in whatever Spider-Man is thinking, and we can also add this one as well here, and then you do the same for all the pages. Now if it comes with a call out already, I don't know how the text will look like, but the text will definitely be jargons. So what you can do about this is very simple. All you need to do is to drag and drop here, okay? Just place it here to cover that call out. So you now go ahead and type in whatever you want to type in, and as you can see, it's looking amazing already. And the next thing we're going to do to make it flippable is to just come over to share. So you can either scroll down to look for flipping books, or you can just come here and type in flip, and you have 3 options. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with flipping book like this, and we're going to go ahead and click on open. So now that the flip book has opened, you can see that it has selected the 2 pages that we have, and you're going to go ahead and click on save if you want the 2 pages to be uploaded to flipbook. But if not, you can just deselect the ones that you don't want on flipbook, and it's going to go ahead and prepare the design and convert it to a 3D design that you can easily flip online. So now it has opened, and you can see our flipping book is ready, and all you have to do is to just click on next page, and it's going to keep flipping. And this is all you need. And to share it, all you have to do is just copy the shareable link and share it with your friends, family, or whoever you want to sell it to read it just like that. You can go ahead and click on customize to customize your flipping book, and you're good to go. That is all you need to do here. But the thing is, you can't download it as it is. It can only be viewed online. So to do that, all you have to do is to just copy the shareable link and send it to whoever you want to send it to, and they can have access to the comic book and flip it and read it. So you can actually be using this for a monthly publication where people get to read your comic books on a monthly basis. So you're going to tailor your comic designs to fit into whatever theme you have for that month. I've done a complete Canva flipping book tutorial in the past. Find the link in the description to learn everything that you need to learn about this and how you can use it to make money for yourself. And this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. So go ahead and watch it to learn new digital skills that you can use to make 7 figures online. So see you on the other side. Ciao.